In front of me is iPhone 17 and today I would like to show you how you can turn on and use voice typing. Before we begin, quick disclaimer. In this video, I won't switch my keyboard or use any feature that's not default to this iPhone. So if you want to enable and use voice typing, here's how to do it using only Apple approved methods. Firstly, go into settings. Then scroll a tiny bit to click on general section. And scroll again, this time to click on keyboard. Now you need to scroll again, and this time to enable voice typing, use gray switcher next to enable dictation option. Then choose enable dictation in the pop-up, and decide if you wish to switch on or off auto-punctuation thanks to this switcher right next to it. Either way, when you're ready, you need to launch your keyboard. And to use voice typing, hit this microphone at the bottom right corner. Then start typing. If you ever see this pop-up, you can tap on Not Now or Share to improve Dictation and Siri. I always tap on Not Now though, so when I do that, I can see that voice typing is working properly. If you want to stop, you can pause or use the same microphone button. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!